646. We are working on generating the interior details of the hallways that connect one micro level to another. We need to scan what's inside of these little 4x10, 10x4 rectangles and use that data to create a repetitive pattern for the interior of our hallways. So let's go down here. In file 196, this lookup table is that buffer we created in a previous video, but keep this in mind because we're going to use this eventually. In file 196, within our loader function, we've added a section for the doorway pixel array. This is a shorthand alias to the door pixels we just looked at. This is JoshPix, which stands for the Easyhot format, because this is a format I'm creating for Josh. And this is door pixel index and door pixel components. So we're going to use all these variables to do stuff down here. Let's go down here. Tunnel interior loop. This is where we're going to draw the interior details of our tunnel from level to level. We're going to loop through every single room and loop through every single edge in top, right, bottom, left order. First of all, we need to know whether or not we have a door. So we're going to use the lookup table to figure that out. We need to know if there's a blockade, so we'll use the lookup table to find that. And if we have not a door, but we have a blockade or either of these, then we're gonna skip. We're not gonna draw any interior details because there should not be a hallway if these conditions are met. Now, if these conditions are not met and we do not continue, we'll end up down here. We need to get the doorway rectangle buffer, which is what we're gonna do. We're gonna like scan the pixels inside of these white rectangles and look for geometry inside these white rectangles that we can then clone stamp inside the hallway from level to level. So that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna scan the RGBA 196 here and load the data into a doorway rectangle buffer, and then shit, sorry, the scanning part here is in scan and stash. Right here, we're just getting the coordinates of the rectilinear region of pixels that we want to scan, and then we'll do the scanning here and put it into a buffer, and then we'll do our clone stamping down here, but we're not going to do it in this video, but this is a basic outline of what's to come in the future. Here's what we did previously, and then here's our footnotes and stuff, and then down here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist here on Ninja Coder. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Just Technical Demos is here if you don't like all this crazy-ass code. Like and subscribe.